We waited. We made and waited for all of you and you never came. So we decided that before it becomes cold, we'll all finish.
Okay, I'm going to give to whoever's first salad.
Go.
JCB, did you bring orange from your home? Did you bring orange from your home? I won't tell you. Fresh orange.
Boiled carrot? No, fresh. Very nice.
And how did you cut it?
No.
See, come.
No, I don't know how.
Yesterday we went to church. Evening program. We left his brother.
I was babysitting actually.
Then they want to surprise us. They told both of them to do something. So she did sushi and he did fruit salad.
Oh, okay. But how did she cut? Hey, how did you cut? How did you cut it?
Amma did.
How did she cut?
She used a knife.
Just
Na
a
knife la.
Knife lo roll it.
It came cut?
நானே இந்த நியூசிலாண்ட்ல பண்ணிருக்கேன். So பாத்துர்க்கா அது போக ஸ்கூல்லயும் she tried cooking classes.
But it will collapse, no? You cut?
La the rice na. Night I was playing that 11 o'clock.
Kalyan always defeats me left-handed in Othello. Somehow he defeated me once. He's totally restless.
Oh, come on.
I don't want to play again because let the last game I win.
And you never shot.
No, I won't play with him again because the last game I always said I won. Always calling me for a rematch. And I'm avoiding. I won't play.
He's a chess master. He's talking to us like
Chess his son defeated me horribly. Really?
Chunna.
Who is his son? No. I don't know this.
But move your butt out of the way.
Othello is like go. Regulate.
Yeah.
It's a good game.
Stop it, man.
Kalyan is